I am here in the main pavilion. I'm all checked in. I got my badge. Pinballs galore. They open in an hour. So people are just going to start hanging here. They're just going to hang here. Looks like they're setting up the games. I'm in my in heaven here. I'm in heaven. And here is Stern's latest game, Dungeons and Dragons. The Tyrant's Eye. This is the limited LE. This looks like this is all Stern. This is the Stern area. Yep, this is all Sterns. Wow, I got everything. Some games I haven't even played yet. They're still setting up. There's all the Sterns. Black Knight Sword of Rage. I'm going to be playing that this weekend. I never played that game. There's the vendors. Here's the labyrinth. I'm sure they don't mind. That's the goblin topper. Very cool. I just got finished playing Evil Dead. Amazing.
Here, watch this.
Very cool.
Kevin.
Oh yeah, is that the ball lock for the multi-ball?
Yeah.
That's cool.
No! All safe. Alright, second one.
That's very cool. So that's the topper that comes with it, right?
Yeah.
That's stock?
Yeah.
Turning back now.
Oh, that was it.
When you start a mode, I feel like shooting something.
There we go.
Okay, so you go under the house to start a mode.
There's
Okay.
2 inline targets
Okay.
that lights it,
Right.
and you can put them up there. And the drop targets reset every ball, so you gotta...
That's awesome. A little toy little recorder. Very cool. So let's take a look around here. Look at all the games they have here. This guy's cool. He's got these lighted LED flippers. Hey Don, did you see this? See this, Don?
I did. What's going on, Don?
Hey, okay.
Hello. Yeah, I played this at Free Play Florida.
Do you recognize
That was
it?
awesome. it's Hellraiser.
No, the original game.
Oh yeah, yeah, and
It
Devil's
was
Dare.
Devil's Dare, yeah. Yep.
Now I didn't know that until someone told me last time. so
Yeah,
I'm cheating.
it's. Yeah, I mean, the layout kind of looks the same, but yeah. Very cool.
Yeah.
Brian Allen too. He did the. I think he did the art.
What can that guy not do?
Hey, Black Rose. Another Black Rose in the universe. Very cool. I have one at home.
Yeah, really. We haven't seen it for a long time.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
It took a lot of work for me to get it back to where it was.
I bet.
I got it in June,
Okay.
and I worked on it for about 4 months.
Okay. I like
It
your
looks-
hat. Sorry. Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, it's a lot of work.
Yeah.
The cabinet is super faded. The cabinet's in, but it looks nice though, man. The play feels nice. This looks like a. Very loud in here. And here I am again. They have a social. So I got my own cabana. Right on the beach here. Salty's Bar. Having a social. Pretty cool. I finally met Carrie Hardy. Big YouTube fan. I watch his videos all the time on YouTube. It was cool meeting him. I'm having a blast. It's truly amazing. I hope they do this more than every year, because this is the first time they're doing this here. It's amazing. Very cool. I'll pan around slow. I'll show you the resort. It's like 40 acres of this place. Very cool. Here's Carrie right over there. Here's Carrie right there. Carrie Hardy. Awesome. Having a blast. So this is a brand new game that's from a small company. The name of the game is Road Trip. And it's so freaking cool. gorgeous. There's another one. My favorites. Awesome.